Hello everyone, here is a quick guide on running Snapchat on Windows. First you will need to download a program called Nox. It's an Android simulator. Just go to the link in the description. It looks like this. Then when you arrive on this link, wait 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, press skip ad. When you arrive on this page, you need to press download. And after that, just wait for it to finish. When it's done, simply press on it once to set up. I will go and install it in a custom location, but you can just keep these as default if you want. And here you can change if you want to add a taskbar and desktop shortcut or not. I won't add it. After that, just press install in the middle and let it install. Now you're ready to press start in the middle. Once you arrive on this page, you just press the right arrow to go through the tutorial. And after that, press got it. And here you can see that we're in Android. So simply press on the gear wheel up here. And then go to general settings and root startup and select root. After that, press save settings and restart now. Otherwise Snapchat won't work. Now simply press on the Snapchat icon, and if you don't have one, press on the Google folder in the middle and Play Store. But I have one, so I press on the Snapchat and then I press existing, but you can create a new Google account if you don't have one. And then just log in with your Google account. And then next and OK. Here you can select if you want to backup or not. I don't want to do it, so I unselect it. Set up payment info, just press no thanks, and then accept. And now you can press install and accept. And now you can simply press open. And you will see that Snapchat is running and you can log in, and I will show you that it works. And here we're in Snapchat. And as you can see, my camera is not working, but everything else is. To fix the camera, you can watch my next video where I will show you how to do it, but you will need a webcam to fix the camera. So thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and if this video helped you, please leave a like, and if you have any issues, just comment and I will do my best to help you.